G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got another really good one here for you. Do you buy the brand name stuff? Do you buy the cheap stuff? Mrs. Mark's Reviews and Tutorials here has gone and bought herself some bike pants, brand name ones, Santini, and this is what she's found out.
So I was looking for some cycling tights for winter, and after doing some research I decided to go for this brand for a couple of reasons. One, I was looking for something that had a reflector on the back of it, which is awesome in winter dull light. And I went online also to have a look at the temperatures that these were good at. So this particular model was good for 3 degrees up to 15, perfect. Since using them now, and so they come with a cuff on the bottom here as well, which is really helpful keeping the wind out. But I have been using these for a couple of months now, and absolutely faultless. Absolutely faultless. They do not let the wind in at all. There's a real sense of support for the muscles, and absolutely thrilled. They're really comfortable. The chamois is brilliant. The chamois was rated good for 2 to 3 hours of cycling. Excellent quality. Can't recommend Santini and these winter cycling tights enough.
Have a look at the link in the description because we've sourced some at a good price for you, and you can grab them there.
I've had a cheaper brand cycling tights, and the difference between the big brand like a Santini, a specialized cycling brand, and the no-name cheap brands is absolutely dramatic, particularly in terms of wind, in terms of comfort, in terms of the chamois quality, and offering the extra things like that reflective material is really important for me when I'm cycling in the dull light of winter.
So worth the extra money to get something a bit better quality.
Absolutely.